So we're fixing to go on our first trip in the new camper, and before we do that, I had bought some accessories. So I'm going to show you the accessories, and then I'll show us using them, and I'll tell you what I think of them. We have bought a surge protector for the 50 amp, slide out supports. In here I think is a 50 amp to 30 amp, and this is a kingpin support. So we are gonna, oh look, yep, 30 to 50, and we'll open these when we get out there. So, all right, here we go. All right, so our next thing is we're gonna get these out and try them out for the slide out supports. All right, so here's I cut the ties. See if I can figure out how to open the box. It's not that side. There we go. Wanted to do this, try to save some of the movement on the slide out. So these they're not to lift, they're just to sturdy up. So let's see how they work. So they got holes in here, I think. Oops.
Yeah, they do.
So yeah, but you gotta, the jack part of it's right here. So they got two holes, one at the top, one at the bottom, and right now the rod goes all the way through. So there we go. All right, so there we go. We got it set at the bottom one, and then to get it to go up, you gotta tighten this nut down. So you don't have to take me doing this. Nope, I'm turning it the wrong way
now. Wow. Tire, dogs.
Nope, I'm turning it the wrong way now.
Wow. Tire, dogs. See.
Right there. And it's not the lift, it's just the support.
Yeah.
So, you taping?
Yeah.
Which way do I want to go? The other way.
Now, once you have this at that right height, you don't have to do this every time?
No.
Very nice.
This is just the initial setup. Just trying to get a little tension on it. There we go. And there we go. Oop. Just give them water out of the... There we go. All right, one done. Now I know how to do it for the other side.
Today is May 7th, right? The 7th?
Yep.
And it got up to like 90 degrees today.
There's no water coming out of it.
You gotta probably give it a little time. Oh wait, I didn't.
Every time.
Gotta go a little bit more. little more. There we go. And
right.
should reduce the rocking. All right. Well, after a weekend of doing this, using these, the trailer was extremely stable. So I'm glad we got these. So hopefully this helps you a little bit thinking about what you need for your camper. So thank you very much and have a great day.